Good morning dear students, myself Shifali from BVM International School Barnala. I am your new physics teacher. So under physics today we are going to start a new topic, reflection of light. So before discussing about the topic reflection of light, first of all we have to discuss about light. What is light? Light is simply a form of energy which helps us to see different types of objects. Now the question arises is that how we are able to see different types of objects? So the answer is when light from different objects falls on our eyes, then after falling on our eyes this light gets reflected back. So that's why we are able to see the objects. Now what is ray of light? It is simply a line and the arrow on this line tells us about the propagation of light. So now what is propagation of light? Propagation of light is simply means the direction of light, which tells us about in which direction our light ray is moving or going on. After that, beam of light. What is beam of light? Beam of light is simply a group of different types of rays. So simple words, we can say when different rays combine with each other, then it makes a group. This group is termed as beam of light and it is represented just like that. After that, reflection of light. Now the main concept comes reflection of light. The phenomena of bouncing back of light in the same medium after striking with any surface is known as reflection of light. Now, here we discuss one term, same medium. What do you mean by this term, same medium? Same medium means if our light is moving in air, then it also gets reflected back in air. And if the light is moving in water or any other liquid, then it also gets reflected back in water or in that one liquid. So, our next topic is kinds of reflection of light. As we know, there are mainly two types of reflection of light. One is regular reflection and the second one is irregular reflection. So now, what is regular reflection? Regular reflection is that reflection which take place continually. Continually means there is no breakdown of light in that one's reflection. So regular reflection take place under a very smooth surface. And after that, irregular reflection, that reflection in which there is a breakdown of light, and this reflection take place under a rough surface. Now, there are some important terms that are related with reflection of light. So, first of all, we have to discuss about incident ray. What is incident ray? Here, to understand these concepts, we have to draw a diagram. I have to consider a plane mirror. This one surface is polished and the lower one surface is reflecting surface. So, first of all we have to discuss about incident ray. Here is our object. Suppose I named that one object A. When the light starts moving from the object A, then it falls on the mirror at point O, and the point of reflection is that from where our reflected ray starts. So according to the diagram, it is represented by the point O. So here point O represents point of reflection as well as point of incidence. Now the next one term is plane of incidence. Plane of incidence is simply a plane. As we already discussed in mathematics that plane consists of two axes. One is x-axis or one is y-axis, or either we can say y or z-axis. So here the plane consists of two axes which are incident ray and normal ray. So the plane which is formed by incident ray and normal ray is called plane of incidence, and the plane which is formed by normal ray and reflected ray is known as plane of reflection. So our next one topic is laws of reflection. Here there are two laws of reflection. First one is the angle of incidence, that is angle I, always equals to angle of reflection, that is angle R. This is our first law of angle of reflection. The second law of reflection of light is incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. These are two laws of reflection. I hope you all understand this concept. So thanks and have a nice day.